Hey y'all.
A friend whose son plays on a little league sports team. That sports team has the same purple and yellow colors, and the sports team is the Tigers. Okay? And they asked if I could make just an inexpensive wreath for their team. So, y'all, on the cricket, I just cut a giant circle to fit right here in the middle, right? Y'all, a 12 by 12 sheet on the cricket is like 60 cents. So we spent a whole 60 cents on this little situation here. Y'all, we're just gonna put this right in the center and lay it out. Y'all, just get your air pockets out. Now, I'm thinking you could probably just get away with a solid background, or you could also put whatever their name is or their saying on more vinyl and put that right in the center. So I'm not going to do that yet because I don't know how much we're going to cover on the outside. Y'all, I'm going to be honest, we don't need that much pipe cleaner. So let's cut these. 6, 7, and 8. All right, we're gonna fold it in half and trim it. 14, 15, 16. That's right. But we're gonna use both rows. So I need 8 more. Y'all, this is gonna be the long part. We're gonna put a pipe cleaner in every set of holes around here. All right, so we're gonna see if we can do hoofs with 10.5-inch mesh. So we're gonna get it started just like every other one. And I was gonna try to keep it on the table, but I'm not. I'm just gonna throw that on the floor and keep going. All right, get it nice and tight. Y'all, I bet we could have done every other one. Y'all, should we try every other one instead? Let's try every other one. Y'all, we might have to go in and cut out the extra pipe cleaners that we added in. So from there, we're now gonna cut some ruffles. I'm gonna cut these at 18 inches. Y'all, so this would literally put me like 2 cuts short. So we're gonna try really hard not to have to open up a whole nother roll of mesh, y'all. So just 2 tight curls on each end, ruffle up the outside. And okay, I'm thinking I'm gonna put the ruffles in like this. So normally our ruffles go the same way. Let's try it like this. And we're gonna try every other one first. And then if every other one doesn't give us the coverage that we want, we'll open our second roll because we're not gonna halfway do it, right? It's not enough. How many do we have left? We have 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. That's how many we needed. Evidently, I can't count. And we're gonna go in the ones that we skipped and keep adding our ruffles. All right, so let's just make one quick bow. All right, so let's measure out a little tail. Give it a pinch. We're gonna do a 6-inch. Another 6-inch. Put our tail out here. Y'all, if you had smaller hoofs, you could put whatever you want in the center. I wanted it to cover as much as possible. All right, let's just make our little bow. Y'all, and I'm only using 2 colors. They're just gonna get a little bit smaller each time. All right, last set of loops. All right. Give it a good twist. All right, so this is the top up here. I'm gonna get my bow set up down here. Get it twisted off. Cut off my extra pipe cleaner. All right, dovetail. So for less than 20 bucks, I can do a local Little League team themed wreath.